Good morning, students. Welcome to accountancy class. This is Kavita ma'am and your accountancy lecturers. So today I'm going to start the new concepts in the third chapter, my dears. So before commencing this class, we are discussing once again. We can glance our previous class concept, my dears. In the previous class, what we discussing? What we are discussing, just using of debit and credit. What do you mean by debit? What do you mean by credit? Rules of debit and credit. The rules of debit and credit under traditional approach, the most important. Personal account rules, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account rules, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes. And guys, this is the rules of in our traditional approach under accounts, right? So ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. And again, sources of document. What do you mean by sources of document? A written document which provides evidence of the transaction is called source document. So what are the source documents? Either invoice bill, cash memo, pay slip, receipt, check, debit note, credit note. These are all types of sources of documents, my dears, right? No, today I am going to start classification of accounting voucher. Classification of accounting voucher, my dears. Classification of accounting voucher. Firstly, what do you mean by accounting voucher, my dears? ಏನಪ್ಪ accounting voucher ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Write down. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ accounting voucher ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. See, my dears. Listen. A voucher are the documents on the basis of which business transactions are recorded in the books of account. Voucher are the documents on the basis of which business transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. We are going to call it as voucher. Voucher ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನಾವು voucher ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And one more meaning also here there, my dears. See, what do you mean that? A voucher are the written documents which provides evidence of financial transaction. Voucher are the written documents ante ಬರ್ದಿರೋಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವು ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್.